Gentle blackhead removal deep pore cleaning routine for clear skin. Blackheads are a common skin concern, but removing them the wrong way can damage the skin. In today's video, we are performing a gentle blackhead removal treatment combined with a deep pore cleaning routine. This method focuses on safely removing blackheads while protecting the skin. A gentle approach is important because harsh extraction can lead to irritation and enlarged pores. Stay until the end to see how effective gentle skincare can be. Why gentle removal matters. Many people try to remove blackheads by applying too much pressure or using harsh tools. This can damage the skin and cause redness or even scarring. Gentle blackhead removal ensures that the pores are cleaned without harming the surrounding skin. It also helps maintain the skin's natural barrier. Deep pore cleaning routine. The treatment begins with a deep cleansing routine. A mild cleanser is used to remove dirt, oil, and impurities from the skin. This prepares the skin for further treatment. Next, steam is applied to open the pores and soften the buildup inside. This step makes extraction easier and reduces the need for excessive pressure. Gentle blackhead extraction. Using professional tools, blackheads are removed carefully. Instead of applying strong pressure, gentle and controlled movements are used. This ensures that the blackheads are removed while keeping the skin safe. The process may take longer, but it produces better results without irritation. Skin soothing and protection. After extraction, the skin is treated with soothing products. A calming toner is applied to reduce redness, followed by a hydrating serum or mask. These products help restore moisture and protect the skin barrier. Final results. After the treatment, the skin looks cleaner and smoother, the pores are less visible, and the overall texture of the skin is improved. Gentle blackhead removal combined with proper skincare can help maintain clear skin over time.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.